Benefits and weaknesses of fenugreek. Fenugreek is an occasional spice. Fenugreek is usually utilized as a zest, fruit in food. We as a whole know fenugreek. The fenugreek plant is normally eaten as a vegetable and its seeds are utilized in cooking as a flavor. A most loved dish of country Bengal is fenugreek. Its taste is typically harsh. At the point when you consider fenugreek, you consider a ton of heavenly food. We use fenugreek for different purposes beginning from cooking. Fenugreek is one of the fixings in Pachaforan masala. Fenugreek development is more normal in Southern European and Asian nations. Fenugreek seeds are little and brilliant in variety. Fenugreek seeds assume a significant part in Kabiraji, Ayurvedic and Unani medication. So today we will present to you the advantages and damages of fenugreek and the guidelines of eating fenugreek. What precisely is fenugreek? Fenugreek is an occasional spice. In rustic regions, it is cooked and eaten as a little vegetable. Fenugreek is called fenugreek in English and its logical name is Trigonella phonum. Fenugreek is wealthy in supplements. Specialists suggest eating fenugreek when the body's nourishing quality is low. Fenugreek is likewise ready to fix different sicknesses. So we should investigate the wholesome properties of fenugreek. Advantages and damages of fenugreek. Rules of utilization of fenugreek. Dietary benefit and amount of fenugreek. The dietary benefit of 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds is recorded beneath. Protein 23 grams. Sodium 67 milligrams. Calcium 176 milligrams. Potassium 770 milligrams. Thiamine 0. 322 milligrams. Fat 6.41 grams. Copper 1. 110 milligrams. Iron 33.53 milligrams. Zinc 2. 50 milligrams. Manganese 1.228 milligrams. Nutrient EU. Nutrient C 3 milligrams. Riboflavin 0. 366 milligrams. Pyridoxine 0. 600 milligrams. Niacin 1. 640 milligrams. Carbohydrates 58. 35 grams. Strength 323 kilocalories. Fiber 24.6 grams. Magnesium 191 milligrams. Phosphorus 296 mg. Benefits and damages of fenugreek. Rules of utilization of fenugreek. Advantages of fenugreek. It's a given that fenugreek makes no side impacts. Fenugreek is an extremely gainful element for our body. It isn't just utilized in cooking but on the other hand is utilized in different Ayurvedic and Unani medicines. We should investigate the advantages of fenugreek. Fenugreek to control diabetes. Standard utilization of fenugreek have some control over diabetes. Fenugreek seeds are wealthy in fiber and have different valuable properties that assist with bringing down blood glucose levels. Additionally, fenugreek can further develop assimilation and retention of starches and sugar in the body. Ordinary utilization of fenugreek expands the degree of insulin emission in the body. Thus diabetes is taken care of. Fenugreek to diminish joint inflammation torment. A great many people beyond 40 years old have different sorts of torment or joint inflammation. Fenugreek assumes an extremely viable part in easing these serious torments and throbs. Fenugreek to lessen cholesterol. Fenugreek assumes one of the significant parts in controlling cholesterol. Fenugreek assists in lessening the blood and cholesterol, yet additionally assists with controlling the cholesterol in your body progressively. Fenugreek decreases lipoproteins or awful proteins in the body. Fenugreek contains a fixing called stearidol, which forestalls cholesterol levels from expanding and helps lower cholesterol levels. Fenugreek seeds are likewise equipped for diminishing the pace of assimilation of liquid created by the liver. Fenugreek for heart assurance. The advantages of fenugreek for heart well-being are unrivaled. Fenugreek assists with lessening how much corrosive from the human body rapidly. Dousing fenugreek seeds in water consistently and drinking fenugreek seeds absorbed water while starving the following morning can tackle issues like heart agony or chest torment. Spices like fenugreek are difficult to find for heart well-being. Advantages of fenugreek in further developing assimilation. Polishing off fenugreek seed doused water while starving each day subsequent to awakening helps in assimilation issues. Fenugreek seeds are wealthy in fiber and other useful fixings that assistance in assimilation. Advantages of fenugreek in bosom milk creation. Fenugreek contains a substance called diosgenin, which assists in the creation of bosom milk draining. Nutrients and minerals present in fenugreek increment the wholesome nature of bosom milk. So lactating ladies ought to take fenugreek with clinical counsel. Fenugreek to forestall disease. Fenugreek can save life from lethal sicknesses like disease. A review has shown that normal utilization of fenugreek diminishes the gamble of disease. Fenugreek contains a substance called fatty oils that totally obliterates bosom malignant growth-causing cells.